So I've got, it says they take a...
We're about ready to cross into Mexico. Hey, Canadian! The entry into Mexico was unbelievably simple. We didn't even have to show our passports. And they didn't even ask us about geocaching. I don't understand it. But now it's time to find some caches, and we're going to attend an event. Okay, we've entered Mexico, and we are with an honored geocacher because we're honored to be with him. This is Ed, Albedo 039, one of our patrons.
Hey, welcome, Ed.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, we've bumped into you a few times over the years,
yes,
but haven't had the opportunity to geocache with you.
So this is what we're going to do today.
Yeah.
We're here in Mexico.
We're going to have a fun day.
Yeah, and that's one thing we look forward to is when we see a patron, the opportunity to spend some time actually geocaching with that person and getting them into Cache Canada as well. Well, I guess
Cache
it's
Mexico.
Cache Mexico. There we go. Cache Mexico, Canada, and the U.S. Whoa, let's get caches.
I'm ready.
All right. Okay, it's not hard to tell where the geocache is when you see a group of people staring up into a tree.
That's okay.
Incoming.
Basketball's great, yeah, so that's
Thank you, sir.
favorite. So yeah, we're off to that at the end.
If you need that one, you know where it is. Friendly dogs. Once again coming up to a geocache, and there's a crowd there searching, so we won't have to spend too much time looking unless they can't find it. No. Oh, I see it. I got it.
Yeah.
There you go. Got one without a crowd.
Be a part of the sci-fi themed Operation Worldwide Cache Hide project that will be published on May 4th, 2025. For complete details, go to www.geocachingcentral.com and click the icon.
His caching name is Albedo, or Albedo 0.39. Now, what does that mean?
If you go and look at my profile page, I've actually got a description there. And albedo is an astronomical term. And so what happens is you've got bodies like planets that don't produce their own light, unlike our sun. So albedo is a measure of how much light that surface reflects. So it's a value between 0 and 1. Our moon has a factor of like 0.7. So can you guess what 0.39 is?
Earth.
It is Earth.
Oh, that's cool.
And this all ties back to an old 1970s Vangelis song called Albedo 0.39. That's actually where I picked it up.
Oh, that's cool.
Many years ago.
Oh.
So that's the origin of my name.
Oh. That's very different. That's really nice. Thank you. Yeah. You know, I often wonder, well, where did people get their names from? And London Westie is, I used to live in London, and Westie of our last name. And this geocache has a little telltale sign of the post where you have the little metal clip kind of showing. Wait. Lyric class, how did that come about? So a lot of people say lyric class.
My name comes from when I was in a Celtic choir. The lyrics are the words you sing in the music, and lass is a Celtic name for girl.
It's not lyric class, it's lyric class. How much?
$2.
$2?
Yes, I mean.
All right, I'll take one.
This one? Yes, sir.
I'm getting a snack!
Beans.
Beans?
Sir.
Yeah. Oh, yes, please. So beans on there? Okay. Gracias. Nice. So just toppings on there.
This is real hot.
Real hot?
It's a medium.
Okay.
This is guacamole.
Yep.
No hot.
Okay. I like hot. Gracias, señor.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that's really good. Really, really
He
good.
said to shoot him, but I think he meant with the camera.
Take a picture of that water thingy. What is that called?
Water tower.
The water tank. There you go.
This is a location of an adventure lab and a virtual and the event are all right here. So we're just
It's
gonna.
wrong event. That event was last Friday. Our event is up the street.
Over here at the stop
Good thing
sign.
he said something. I would have attended the wrong event. Our event is up the street. There we go. Good to go. So, but it's an adventure lab and a virtual.
Those are the bigger
There we go. All right, and I'll take a picture. Cheese.
Okay.
Got it.
But
If you want to buy something for your team, you're going to find it right here in this little molar city, so they say. It's all about dental work and eye care and other medical services that are apparently cheaper here than in the United States. Go figure. It's another event. This one is right here in Mexico. So we did a little bit of geocaching and then came down here, had a drink and a snack, and everybody arrived and it's packed. And the organizers told the owners of the restaurant that they were bringing some people, and they weren't kidding. This crowd is big, and when they're filling the square.
You guys got to come check it out.
We're getting an invite from for Geo Woodstock from one of our patrons.
Little Black Dog.
Yeah, that's awesome. You know, we run into them all over the place. We wish we could have connected, because this Ed is one of our patrons too.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And so we spent the day geocaching with him. So, well, you know, we could go to Geo Woodstock and we could cache together.
Yeah, that's true. There's going to be a lot to do. There's going to be there's the huge adventure lab art. Right?
Yeah,
you got that.
Yeah.
There's a challenge cache trail.
Yeah.
There's the flow trail. They're going to have a special card to do pre-register. Get a coin. It's kind of late to do that now, but that's possible.
Yeah.
Maybe. Because stores closed a couple days ago, but you never know. Maybe they got extras or whatever, so you can check that out. Tons of stuff to do. It's going to be a whole week of Geo Fun. Yeah, it's going to be a real big deal.
There you go, Geo Woodstock.
Giga. It's already Giga.
It's all, I know, it's like a Giga too. And
I'm just saying, that's your best argument right there.
Yeah.
Come to the Giga.
Well, we got to convince our daughter. That's the thing. So it's still a possibility. You never know. All right.
Yeah, trying to get
There you go.
Oh, yeah, mine.
That's what we call a Slim Jim.
There is a sidewalk.
This is the vehicle lineup to get back across the border into the United States. And we have heard that it can take quite some time to get through, like up to a couple of hours just to get through the line, one car at a time.
Check right here.
No?
Green metal post next to the potted plant. It's not in there?
See it? Green metal post.
Who's on it? Right there?
Yeah, well, you got it. She's got it. Yeah.
I just can't get it out.
Here.
There, I got it.
Yeah.
No, it's just on the post right here.
Oh, I see it. Oh, it's
Magnetic nano.
Una monedita para darle a Michelena, amiguitos. Que tengan bonitos días. Dios les bendiga. Que les vaya bien. Don Nacho for the mission shoot this morning. One quarter. God bless you, ministry.
Last cache is found. Now we're headed back across the border. We just got to cross the street and get in line. Yeah, there you go. There's room. And that was that. We showed our card. They took a picture of us, asked us what we were bringing with us. I said, just me. And through we went. We're back in the United States. Well, I say that was a lot of fun.
Yep, I had a great time. Got to see some things and got to eat some food.
Yeah.
Got through the border pretty quickly.
Yeah, and they let us back in. So that's a pretty good bonus.
That's a win.
Keep watching. There's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you?
Not too much goes down. He stays that way a little bit.